Here's how we build a portable power distribution spider box at Larson Electronics. Stay tuned to see the final product and specifications. The Larson Electronics portable spider box is designed for indoor, outdoor, and rugged applications. This unit allows operators to use 125 and 250 volt power via a CS6375 electrical inlet. The device supports 125 and 250 equipment per 6 output receptacles. For robust protection, the spider box is NEMA 3R rated and protected by impact and flame-resistant weatherproof covers. This equipment is NEMA 3R rated for indoor and outdoor use and provides a degree of protection against dirt, water, and ice. This device can be used for construction sites, plant maintenance, plant turnarounds, shows, exhibits, and shipyard operation. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.